Hello, I am Vasnani from grade 9 studying in Indian Language School. I have always been interested in learning to code. My teachers in all my courses of TinkerCoders have always been very supportive. They give me all sorts of homework to test me upon how much I have understood the concepts taught, and if I still have any doubts, they're always ready to clear it for me. My teachers teach me very enthusiastically in a way that makes me feel comfortable with them, and it's as if they are my friends. We made lots of interesting projects together, out of which I will show you one of them. This is a Python project to print inverted equilateral triangle pattern. Let me explain to you about how this code works. Here, I have taken a variable called num and stored a value 6 in it. Then, I have taken a for loop to repeat the set of code until a known number of times. Over here, we can repeat the code 6 times. In the outer for loop, we have a start position named num, which is 6, end position is 0, and step is -1. This means that the star will be printed from index 6 and move -1 steps until it reaches 0. In the inner for loop, the code will start from 0 until num minus I, that is 6 minus 0. The starting value of I is 0 and keeps iterating until the for loop's condition is met. In the next inner for loop, the star will be printed from 0 and ends at I, whose value is 0 at first. The end statement indicates that the end character has to be identified by a white space and not a new line. And here is the inverted equilateral triangle pattern. I have been able to improve my logical thinking skills with the help of my teachers.